Hi friend, I am Dr. Dattatray Balaso Thorbole, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Padma Bhushan Dr. Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya Taskav. Today I am going to present here the speech mechanism through this video for you. In this video you can see that how and which are the organs help to create a sound with the help of the speech mechanism. I hope this video will be very useful for your study. So let us see. After watching this video, you will be able to answer what is speech mechanism. Speech mechanism is the study of certain physiological factors required in speech delivery. This is called speech mechanism. Speech is the most natural mode of communication between human beings. According to linguists, speech mechanism consists of three parts and they are depends on their function of creating sound. So now you can see that here. First is the respiratory system, then second is the phonatory system, and last is the articulatory system. So let us study these three systems one by one with the help of the diagram of the mouth which is given here. Friends, you can see that here the diagram of the mouth. This diagram I have given here for better understanding to the students for the two specific purpose. One is which organs are helpful or useful for making the sound system or process, and the other hand you can see that these where their location in the mouth. So here you can see that names and locations of all the parts of the organs with the help of the arrows shown for your further studies. Hope you are understand this diagram. So see the next part of this lecture. Friends, this is the most important part of the study. You cannot study the speech mechanism without knowing about these three systems in details. So you can see here there are three systems of speech mechanism. So I request you to please see the systems in details along with their subparts, because in the next section we will study these three systems in more details one by one. So let us see the next. Now we are going to discuss here first system of speech mechanism, that is respiratory system. See, respiratory system consists of three parts of the organs of speech. The basic function of the respiratory system is the supply of air through these given some organs here while producing any kind of sound. See here, these organs are lungs, muscles of the chest, windpipe. The primary organ of the respiratory system are the lungs, which carry out this exchange of air as we breathe. Then you can see that here muscles of the chest, this system help to push air come into the respiratory system through the contraction and relaxation of diaphragm. Then we come to the third system of respiratory. It is cordylungs tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs. Here I hope you are understand this. So see the next. Friends, you can see that here speech mechanism second part, that is phonatory system. The phonatory system consists of the organs such as larynx and vocal cord. Larynx, the box-like organ situated at the top of the windpipe. The larynx serves three important functions in human. In order of functional priority, they are protective, respiratory and phonatory. Then you can come to the second organ, that is vocal cord. Vocal cords, the lip-like organ placed horizontally inside the larynx. The basic function of vocal cords in the speech mechanism is open to allow air to flow from your upper airway into your windpipe and lungs. Hope you understand this one. So let us see the next. Friends, as I earlier said that there are three systems of mechanism involved in producing speech sound. So let us start the study the third system of speech mechanism, that is articulatory system. In short, articulatory system means bringing together two organs of speech. The articulatory system consists of organs such as pharynx, lips, teeth, roof of the mouth, tongue. Okay, you can see the first organ of the articulatory systems. Pharynx, it serves primarily as a tube connecting the larynx with the vocal and oral nasal cavities. Then you come to the second organ, lip. They are very important in speech. They can be pressed together when producing any kind of the sound. Then you can see that teeth, they are located at the front of the mouth, immediately behind the lips. So the next two organs of the articular system, we can see the next part in details, because the two organs further divided again their subparts. Hope you all understand this. So let's see the next organs of articular system. Now here you can see that the fourth organ of articular systems, that is roof of the mouth. The roof of the mouth is divided into different four organs such as teeth, hard palate, soft palate, uvula. First of all, you can see that teeth. Teeth is the raised part behind the upper of the teeth is called the teeth ridge. It is situated between the teeth and the hard palate. Then come to the next, hard palate. In one word sentence, hard palate means also roof of the mouth. It is curved surface in the mouth of the jaw. Then come to the next, soft palate. It is located between the pharynx and the hard palate. It controls the airflow into the nasal cavity. The organs like soft, that we call the soft palate. Okay, then you can come to the last organs. It is uvula. It is fleshy fingers like organ in the mouth. Hope you all understand this. See the next. The tongue is a very important organ of speech, as it has a greater variety of movement. It is a number of different positions during the production of various sound. For the sake of convenience, the tongue is divided into four parts. That is tip of the tongue, the blade of the tongue, front of the tongue, and back of the tongue. See the next. Now we come to the last part of this video, that is articulators. In the speech mechanism, the sum of the organs involved in the production of speech sounds are known as the articulators. There are two types of articulators, that is active and passive. See, active articulators means those organs which move towards the stationary one is called as active articulators in the process of production of sound. The active articulators in the mouth are tongues and lower lips, etc. And one more point is here. You can see that the active articulators also called as lower articulators because they are always lower side in the mouth of the jaw. That's why we call them the lower articulators. Now you can see that the passive articulators. Passive articulators means those articulators which do not move, they are stationary, is called as passive articulators. See the examples: upper lip, teeth, hard palate, etc. Again, passive articulators are also called as upper articulators because they are always upper side in the mouth of the jaw. That's why we called them upper articulator. I hope you have a better understand about this speech mechanism through this video. If you like my video, you can like and share my video. Thank you so much.